As with every year, Composer 2023 has a couple of really nice new features. Many of the translators for this version have been upgraded to handle new versions of those particular programs. You can find the specifics in the help file. There's one particular one, though, I'd like to point out. The Creo importer not only supports the latest version, it's also been upgraded to support Creo Parameters. Creo Parameters are what we call custom properties in SOLIDWORKS. Let's take a look at this file. As you can see, once we open it and look at the Properties pane, we can see the Creo Parameters have been converted to Composer user properties. A big time saver for sure. Next up, a really cool new capability. If you make interactive multimedia presentations for trade shows or other marketing uses, you will end up with a ton of views in the Views pane. Navigating through them all and scrolling up and down can get a bit tedious. New for 2023 are View Collections. Now you can organize views in collapsible folders. This can help you navigate much more quickly when you find yourself with hundreds of views. Of course, the same thing is true for technical illustration work. You can see in this example how many views are par for the course. But look how much easier it is to navigate when they're all segregated into view collections. And of course, with a simple right-click, you can expand or collapse all the view collections. The best part of view collections is they work with Composer Viewer as well, making the content much easier to navigate for the intended audience. Take advantage of these and many new features in Composer 2023.